Hi, everyone. Welcome to our video on transferring iPhone content to iTunes. If you've ever struggled with moving your important data from your iPhone to iTunes, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to ensure a smooth transfer. Whether you want to transfer your music, photos, or other files, we'll show you how to do it easily and efficiently. Let's get started. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer and connect your device. Once your device is detected by AnyTrans successfully, you will see the device information on the AnyTrans. Please wait for the device data loaded on AnyTrans. Once the data is loaded completely, please click Content to Media Library option. After clicking Content to Media Library button, AnyTrans only lists the file icon for you to select when your iOS device has such file types. Please choose the type of the data you want to transfer, then, please click Next button to start your transfer. After clicking Next button, the transfer will be started, and the time of transferring contents varies based on the size of your contents. Please keep patient. Meanwhile, given the importance of your data, please do not disconnect your iOS device before finishing transferring process. Once the transferring process is completed, you will see the Transfer Completed page. Then, it will automatically open the corresponding folder, and you can view the content you transferred. Thanks for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.